Oh, good.
Found our campsite here out at Cave Lake. There was no camping, so we just kept going on up that road and found a spot. Thank God.
It's gonna get cold. Yeah, how big are you expecting from this lake? There's a fish.
This bank is treacherous.
It really is. I love it jumping out of the water.
Look at that guy. Fat old rainbow. Using the Zekes cheese bait, not the power bait. It's working pretty good.
Yesterday we went fishing at Comins Lake. We're in White Pine County in Nevada. It's a beautiful place. Caught a bunch of rainbow trout yesterday, had an amazing dinner, cooked them on the fire. It is beautiful. I'm so happy to be here. We were gonna stay another night, but last night our air pad got a leak. So we woke up very much on the ground this morning and it was not comfortable.
Got our K2 Intex Explorer.
Today we're gonna spend our time at Cave Lake, hopefully blow up our small kayak so we can explore the reservoir a bit.
Hey, yeah. Got this in on my fly rod. Yeah, I caught that little guy on a yellow midge up here at Cave Lake. And first fish on that brand new fly fishing rod. Catalyst 9-foot 5-weight 4-piece mid-flex from Creative Angler. Looks like I'm gonna have to paddle to her. Such a pretty blue.
Key Pittman Wildlife Management Area.
This is on the way home. There's black bass and catfish in here supposedly. I'm gonna throw out just a big grasshopper on my fly rod, see if anything bites it.